Is your external component the CUETools Resource Library DLL not found? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I'm here to help you re-establish CUETools project links. Before starting the manual troubleshooting for CUETools Resource Library, you can find a diagnostic tool for a thorough environment check. This is the CUETools Resource Library, the localized resource library for the CUETools audio ripping suite. It houses the text strings and icons for the AccurateRip verification windows. If missing, the audio ripping tool will display generic error codes or a UI with missing labels, preventing the user from verifying the audio integrity. Now let's apply the fix by reinstalling the shared system library. The CUETools Resource Library DLL library is a specialized component of the CUETools project system, and you must reinstall the program you are trying to open to restore the internal file structure if this file is missing. If no luck was had with the redistributable package, we will escalate the fix by performing a targeted reset of the system state. A simple restart can resolve file in use errors that mimic a missing CUETools Resource Library message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. Following the restart, if the diagnostic status remains unchanged, please execute the commands in step 3. If you need to pause the video to review the syntax, please do. A restart won't fix broken performance counters, so we'll use step 3 to force a rebuild of those links. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr//r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance counters often fail due to registry hive inconsistencies. By wiping and rebuilding these entries, we ensure the system can properly recognize and load the diagnostic library again. Before you proceed, let's touch on the essential safety standards for handling shared library files. If you're attempting to install CUETools Resource Library DLL yourself, be aware that manual file placement can lead to severe software conflicts and data corruption. Using a professional maintenance utility is a proactive step toward keeping your system state healthy and your software synchronized. The link below points to a diagnostic utility that provides information on managing CUETools Resource Library and maintaining system stability. If your workstation is back online and CUETools Resource Library is running smoothly, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, reliable solutions.